Why are we commuting to and from work when we can be running an online business from home? Eating breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday. You've got to love it. Okay, so sorry about that bad accent, but I'm doing what I love, so I don't really care. But seriously, I find most people don't realize that running an online business is a learnable skill, guys. It's a learnable skill, not magic or luck. Have you ever bought a product online? Then why couldn't that be you selling those products to a global market automatically? For 9 years, I've had the monotonous routine of slugging my guts out at a 9 to 5 job. And I say slugging because that's exactly what it felt like. Forcing myself to get out of bed every morning, mindlessly following a monotonous routine of doing the same thing every single day. Many times I asked myself if this was all life had to offer. Wake up early, get into traffic, get to a monotonous job, get into traffic again, maybe have an hour to settle down and enjoy myself, go to bed and do the same thing all over again the next day. And the thought of just rinsing and repeating this process for the next 30 years of my life, well, I can understand why I was mildly depressed and just getting worse and worse as time went on. I just felt like a complete failure in the system. I was working so hard to feel empty inside, and the harder I worked, the more life seemed to punish me for it. Everything that I loved and enjoyed started to disappear. My time was first, my friends were second, and the relationship with my wife just became more and more numb. How would my life look if I carried on down this path for another 30 years? Loss, anger, regret, disappointment, depression, no control, unhappiness. Is that what I want life to look like for me? I'm not sure if you've ever felt that lost before, but in that moment I realized that I needed to change because my life was ending before it even began. So my journey began and I needed to figure out how to make my life better so I could start helping others make their lives better. Why, you ask? Because that will bring me more fulfillment in my life than wasting it at a job that only cares about the profit of their pockets and not the people slaving away to create that profit. Working at a 9 to 5 job takes away way too much precious time that you could be spending with who you love and doing what you love. And I'm going to send you a completely free workshop video series that explains exactly how you can do that by building an online business and having that do the work for you so you can do what you love. This can be done around your job like I did. And guys, don't be scared because I also overcomplicated it in my head when I first thought about it. But honestly, it's a lot easier than you would think. People have created programs that make the internet a lot more user friendly than it used to be in the past. And if you're scared of what other people think of you, then screw them. Chase chase what makes you happy and don't let the opinions of others stop you from being happy. I don't care if you do or don't sign up, but what I do care about is being valuable to others by giving away free training, videos, and material. And I have companied with an amazing digital entrepreneur company that have views much like my own, where this community is all about helping you get to the next step in your journey. So if you relate to any of this, then you can click the link somewhere on screen, enter your contact information, and I will have those videos sent straight to your inbox for completely free. Well, I will hear from you in your emails.